Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Exp22 Word AppCapstone Intro Culinary. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So project description is you work to culinary arts training institutes and educationals hometown. You are helping the promotional to the culinary industry and you will format to the space special effect and include the attractive banners table. And in addition you will ensure that sources includes in work credits page. So we move to the question number one. So question number one is start a word and open the file name exp22 AppCapstone Intro Culinary grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So go to the word file. So I have already downloaded the exp22 word AppCapstone Intro Culinary. So question number one is complete. We move to the question number two. So question number two is display the non-printed character, select all text and change the column to 1. So display the non-printed characters. So go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph groups and display the non-printed characters. And next is select all the text and change column to 1. So select the all text and change the column to 1. So select the alt text, Control A, select the alt text and go to the layout tabs. And next is change the column to ones. Go to the layout tabs and go to the page setup groups and change the column to 1. Click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is move to the end of the document and press enter and insert the text from the culinary text documents. So move to the end of the documents and press enter and insert the text from a culinary. So move to the end of the documents. Move to the end of the document and move to the end of the document and press enter and insert the text from a culinary text documents. Press enter and insert the text culinary text. So go to the home tabs and go to the insert tabs and go to the text groups and click the text from a files and insert the culinary text. Click insert. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 5. Question number 4. So question number 4 is change the bibliography style to MLA and select the alt text and change the font to 12 point and Time New Romans with the line spacing of 2.0 and no paragraph spacing before or after. So change the bibliography style to MLA and next is change the bibliography styles MLA. Go to the home tabs. So we go to the reference tabs and style is MLA style is MLA, and next is select the alt text and change the fonts to 12 point. So select the alt text, Control A, select the alt text and change the font to 12. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the font size to 12, and time New Romans with the lines and spacings of 2.0 and no paragraph spacing before or after, and font is to Time New Romans, click OK, and next is with the line spacing 2.0, and go to the home tabs and go to the paragraph group and line and paragraph spacing 2.0 and no paragraph spacing before or after, and no paragraph before the, and click OK. Time New Romans with the line spacing 2.0 and no paragraph spacing before or after. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is change the margin to normals and modify the heading 1 cell styles to black text 1 font colors and 14 Time New Roman and bolds. So change the margin to normals, and go to the design tabs, go to the layout tabs, go to the page setup groups, and next is change the margin to normal, and next is and modify the heading 1 cell style to black text 1 font colors and 14 Time New Roman and bolds. Modify the heading 1 cell styles, go to the home tabs and go to the bottom and modify the heading 1 cell styles, modify the heading 1, right click and click the modify the heading 1 style, and next is black text 1 font colors, and next is font to colors to 14, and next is Time New Romans and font is to Time New Romans, click OK, and next is click the bold and bolds and click OK. So change the heading 1's type of culinary arts. So question number 5 is complete, and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is change the document theme to facet and change the theme color to orange, and delete the hard return above the culinary arts, food, beverage and industry headings. Find the text culinary art foundation and bolds. So change the document theme to facets and change the theme color to orange, and delete the hard returns above the culinary arts and the food, beverage industry heading. Find the text culinary art, text is the foundation and bold. So change the theme to facets and go to the design tabs and go to the theme groups, and theme is to facet. Click OK, and next is change the color to orange. Change the color to orange. Click the colors, change the color to orange. Click OK, and next is delete the hard return above the culinary arts and foods beverage industry headings. Find the text culinary arts foundation and bold. So delete the hard returns, and next is culinary arts of foods and beverage industry headings. Find the culinary art text and words. So culinary arts and foundations, finds, and go to the home tabs and click the find to culinary arts. So select the culinary arts foundations and click the bold, and bold. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is insert the situation after the question marks and before the period at the end of the sentence on a page once that begin with the culinary art foundation. The citation is to an articles, periodicals, and the author is to Jordan Bakers, and the title is Culinary Excellence, and publication is to Southern West and Digest, and the date is July 14, 2024. Page are to 30 to 40 months. The volume is 80 and issue is 2. So insert the citation after the question mark before the periods on page 1, the culinary arts foundations. Culinary art foundations, and the culinary art foundations, and so insert the citations after the question marks and before the periods at the end of the sentence on page 1 that begin with the culinary art foundation. The citation is to article in periodicals. The author is to the Jordan Bakers, and the title is Culinary Excellence, and publication is to Southern Digest, and date is July 14, 2024, and page are to 30 to 41. The volume is 18 and the issue is 2. So article in periodicals, go to the insert tabs and go to the reference tab and click the insert the citations, add a new source, and article in periodicals, article in periodicals, and author is to the, so select the author is to the Jordan Bakers, copy the author name and paste the author name is to Jordan Baker, and next is the title is Culinary Excellence. So next is Culinary Excellence, copy the title and select the titles culinary, so Culinary Excellence, and next is vacation is to Southern Digest. So Southern to Digest is the Southern is to publications. So find the publications, So select the publications. Is to the short term and digest, and next is publication and date is to July 14, 2024. So copy the date and select the date. So date is July and 14 days. So type the 14th and year is to 2024. 2024 and page are to 30 to 41. Pages is 30 to 41. So 30 to 41 and next is the volume is to 18s. So find the volume is to type the 18s and next is volume is to 18 and issue is to and click OK. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is added the baker station on the page 1 to include the page number of 35. So added the baker stations on a page 1 to include the page number of 35. So added the page 1 on the page 1 include the page number of 35. So added the page number of 35. So added the page number of 35, added the stations and type 35, click OK. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is convert the art of culinary arts heading to word art, selecting the fill orange essence color 1 shadow and change the font size to 14. Type text top and bottom, position the word arts absolute position of to right column 1 and below the top margins. So next is the convert the text the art of culinary arts headings, the art of the culinary arts, select the text and next is word art, selecting the fill orange adjacent color 1 is the shadow colors. Word art, selecting the orange adjacent color 1 shadow. So go to the insert tabs and go to the word art styles and insert the word art style is to fill orange accent color 1 in the shadow, fill orange accent color 1 shadow and next is change the font size to the 14. So change the font size to 14. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups and click the font size to 14 and next is font size to 40, and wrap text top and bottom. Wrap text top and bottom, and position the word dots absolute the positions. So the wrap text top and bottom, wrap text to click the wrap text to top and bottom, and next is the position the word dot and absolute the positions two to right the column and one below the top margins. So position of the word dots, position of the word dots, the mode layouts, and click the positions, and next is position the word dot positions absolute the positions top and bottom, position the word dots absolute positions, position the absolute positions, absolute position of two right column, solution is two and right column to the right column, and next is column and below top, and next is to below one top margins, one is to top margins, and click OK. So question number 9 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.